Nearly 70% of the Earth's composition is comprised of water. Unfortunately, most of the water in the Earth's atmosphere and crust comes from the ocean's saline water reserves, while fresh water, which is suitable for human consumption, accounts for only 2.5% of the total. This scanty reserve of fresh water remains barely sufficient to meet the ever increasing worldwide demand for purified drinking water. India, being demographically the second most populous country of the world, is predicted to be badly hit by the aggravating problem of water crisis, with 2.9% of the country's population being severely suffering from poverty. Widespread access to expensive purified, bottled, and filtered drinking water remains to be a matter of myth.
India, across the country, it could be rural or urban area. We do have lots of problems related to drinking water. We have water, but it's not consumable. It's not like potable water. So across the country, we are thinking about it that how we can get good quality of drinking water for the people, common people. We can't afford the bottled water, packaged drinking water from the shop.
Dr. Somnath Ghoshal has taken this noble responsibility upon his shoulder to provide purified drinking water for the people who have hardly any access to it. He chose Podapada village near Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, to initiate his project. Before the project, the villager uses conventional tubewell water and water from the well like this. Yes, that's frog floating in the well.
In this project, we have tried to make the science behind the purification of drinking water as simple as possible. So whatever technology, scientific technologies, like products are available in the market, we have just collected them, we have installed them according to the raw water quality. We have decided that which kind of filters we do really need, and then we have made a very simple setup which common people, rural people can also handle.
The working mechanism of the purifying water unit divided into 7 steps. Using a 0.5 horsepower pump, raw water will pass through sand filter, carbon filter, and 2 5-micron filters. Finally, UV treatment will be used to produce better quality of drinking water. Purified water will be stored in a stainless steel tank. In the entire unit, stainless steel pipes were used. To control the discharge of pure water from the pure water tank and to stop the wastage of pure water, a vending machine was installed. The vending machine can read RFID card from the final water storage tank to the water discharge point. Natural elevation will be used to minimize the use of any extra pump. At each step of purification, minimum electricity consumption will receive particular attention. Though the project has many novelties and is beneficial for the common villages, it was not at all an easy road for Dr. Ghoshal to make the outlined project into a reality. Dr. Ghoshal had conducted several meetings with the villages and was eventually successful to convince them that this project would be leading them towards a healthier lifestyle. That patience and persistence together make an unbeatable combination for a path towards success. Mr. Mahato from village Podapada put his belief in Dr. Ghoshal and donated his land for the establishment of the purification unit. Several geophysical surveys were done. Good quality aquifer was detected successfully. The construction of the purification building was initiated, where the villagers volunteered. Finally, the construction of the building was completed. All the necessary materials readily available in the market, were assembled properly inside the building. Finally, the purification unit was completed and ready to serve the villagers. The villagers come to the purification facility to collect water. During this process, not only they are getting better quality drinking water, the communal harmony among them is improving as well.
লাভ বলতে একটাই কি আমাদের সেই যে পেটে যে আগে গ্যাস ফ্যাস এটা সেটা হতো না সেই দিক থেকে অনেকটাই কম আছে এখন তো কোমল জল টল খালে হয়তো গ্যাস টেসের এইগুলা বেশি ছিল
So definitely we have planned to replicate such unit in other parts of the country as well, and to make such more units so that we can bring more people under this umbrella.